Have a great day.
You too. I got you a Red Bull, and I got the Jocko Go. A lot of you guys have, people in our YouTube comments have told me about this. It's has no sugar and no artificial sweetener. They use monk fruit extract to sweeten it. It's not bad. Probably wouldn't get it again, but I don't regret it. We are headed out to a local flea market today, Saturday morning. It is pretty cold.
Freezing.
What was it this morning?
It's not actually freezing. It's 34 degrees, which is pretty cold.
That's pretty close to freezing. If you guys haven't watched our videos before, my beautiful wife Haley and I like to come out to this flea market looking for stuff that we could buy for a relatively cheap price, and then we try to flip those items online, eBay and whatnot specifically. So if you find yourself interested in videos like this, like modern day treasure hunting type dealios, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I didn't recognize you without your tent today.
Morning, guys.
Morning. 1988 Wrangling Bros circus. What do you want for the Tiger Cup here?
Couple of dollars.
$2.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it. That's cool.
I decided to go ahead and risk $2 on this Tiger Cup. I thought it was pretty cool. It's from 1988, which makes it older than me. I was hoping it was going to be worth a decent amount of money, but it looks like it's going to sell for about $10 or so plus shipping. So we're still going to make a little bit of profit, but we do typically look for higher value items.
How's it going?
Good morning. How's everybody doing?
Cold. Very cold.
It's a cool hat. I don't know what that.
That's who is that logo? The Blackhawks? Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, and they have body warmers too. Yeah.
All right. You should sell some of those.
I know, right?
This is, oh, I thought it was college. I think that's a Blackhawks hat. That's cool.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
Good. Freezing cold, but good.
Very, very cold.
Sometimes I wonder my life choices. Like, what am I doing?
What am I doing out here? Oh, gosh.
Life for resale.
It's always worth it, though.
I'll tell you a funny story. I had loaded a bike up on the back of my car to bring out here to sell.
Yeah.
I didn't tighten the wheel on the front down, right? So when I get out here, I go take the bike off, the wheel's missing.
It's somewhere. It's not missing.
I-20 somewhere.
All right, what do you want for this hat and this Craftsman charger?
All right, so they're just $2 a piece, so $4.
$4?
Yep, that's
let's see what I got here. You got $6 on you? Hey, you sold a lot of stuff so far?
Oh yeah, I'm almost done. I sold a $200 iMac out here today.
Oh wow,
Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You got it at the bins?
Nah.
Yeah.
You know, they can't sell that kind of stuff, really.
Not
Well, they're
supposed to.
supposed to.
Yeah.
It was an all-in-one computer. I got it for $50 from somebody. It's worth like $650.
Wow.
So I sold it for a quick $200. That guy will probably sell it maybe $4 or whatever.
Yeah.
You know?
Nice.
See, Zoe gets it.
Yeah, man.
Look at this Rolex book. Hey, what's up, man? What do you want for this book? 10? I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but this is interesting. Books. Let's see. I don't really know anything about comic books, unfortunately. Oh, but the Ren and Stimpy. That's awesome.
I've never seen that.
You wouldn't like it. These would probably be good for whatnot. Let's see if we can wheel and deal here. Ultra shoes. Some Keens. What do you want for these Keens right here?
Oh, 20.
20. And these Ultras? 20. 20. Alright, so you had 10 on this. What do you want on the comics?
For all the books in there, I do 30 on all of them.
30 for all the books? So we're at 70 for the 2 pairs of shoes and the books. 30, 20, 20. Do you do 60 for everything? Sweet. 60 bucks. Keens and Ultras. Thanks, man.
So these are the Ultra Women's Torin 5 running shoes. They're in pretty good shape, a little bit of wear on the bottom right there, but I still think we'll be able to get about $35 or so plus shipping for these. I couldn't find an exact model for these women's Keen hiking shoes, but they're in fantastic condition. I'd say like 9.5 out of 10. I'm sure they retail for over $100, but I think in really good used condition, we can expect to get about $40 plus shipping for them. I know literally nothing about comic books, but we have 18 Simpsons comics and 2 Ren and Stimpy. I was hoping we can get like $2 to $3 a piece over on a Whatnot auction, make, $40, $50 after fees and call it a day.
There was.
I'd be 10 for all the plush, man. I'll be one. I got too much.
10 for all
that
the
game
plush.
yesterday?
That's Assassin's Creed Unity. I was playing some other one, I don't know. 10 for all the plush. It's like, you know, we like plush.
This is pretty cool. The Angry Birds go inside and out.
Oh yeah, that's a squishmallow, I think. Yeah. Squishmallow line.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
Cool bandana.
I feel like $10 for all this stuff is a good deal, because what isn't worth anything we can give to Mose. You think Mose would like this pineapple? It's got beans in it.
Oh, no beans.
No beans.
For Mose.
All right, we'll do it. $10 for all the plush. There you go. Thanks, man. Well, I think we just throw it in here. I appreciate you, though. Yeah. What the heck is that? Oh, that's one of those. Remember the Fuggler we found?
Oh yeah.
With the teeth.
Ugh, that thing is weird looking.
Very weird.
It looks like we'll be able to make almost all of our $10 back just on this little Fuggler plush, meaning all the other plush we picked up are essentially free and 100% pure profit.
Killer deal. Thanks, man.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Should we go back to the car?
Yeah, go back.
We should. Okay. I told him we didn't need a bag for all these, but I feel like maybe we should have got
a bag would have been much
a bag would have really come in clutch right now.
Oh, we have to,
gosh.
not just a couple at a time.
It's gonna be so hard getting them out. All right.
Round two?
Round 2, commence. Hey, what's that? That's cool. Bose radio? It's a Bose CD. Okay, what do you want for it?
How much? You said $80.
80? Well, there's 252 listed. Jeez, that's a lot. 495 sold though. They said you wanted 80 for this?
Yes. It sounds really good. The only thing, the problem is the control. It probably doesn't have the battery.
Yeah.
Battery.
Yeah, this one's better. Would you do 60?
I wanted 100 just because I seen that it went.
There's a lot of them that are selling, but prices are all over the place. I mean, there's some that sell for $80 free shipping, some that sell for 200. So, how about 70?
If you can give it to me, I'll just tell them that you just gave me the 80.
Okay.
I'll put
Okay.
the other 10 out.
Let's see. I'll give you another 5 for that hat. How about that?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. I think that's cool. All right, thank you so much. What are you asking for the drum set?
It's sold.
Sold? Just sold. Did you buy it? I heard you jamming. What'd you pay for it? $250? That's a deal.
That's a big deal.
That's a big deal.
You got the case with it too, though.
Oh, you got the case too? Okay. Man, you just we missed it. Missed it by that much. What is this?
What you got now?
This is a slingshot. Hello, how are you? It's weird seeing you on this side of the table.
I know, I'm going yard selling. We're yard selling this morning.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Got a couple good stuff.
Yeah.
Which one was a slingshot?
$10.
$10. What does this part do?
Tennis ball.
Tennis balls. Oh, it's for Hyper Pet. It's
It's a dog one.
That's pretty awesome.
okay. All right. Let me see what I got here. You got $10 on you? Nice. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna just launch those tennis balls. You got any tennis balls for sale? All right, we're gonna find those. Hey, thanks, man. You too. What, the old 10? Yeah, that's an old 10.
You want an old 10?
Yeah, I'll give you $10 for it. How about that? I'll trade you.
Yeah, I think you give me that.
Let me give you him.
There you go.
It's an old 10.
Yeah, I like it.
That worth money. I don't need it.
I don't need it.
It's probably worth about $11.
This $10 bill is from 1977, which is pretty crazy considering the fact that if this money is ever turned into a bank nowadays, they usually send it off to be destroyed instead of sending it back out into circulation, which is why it's so hard to find this old money out in the wild. In terms of value, it's really determined on condition and serial numbers. So you're looking for a cool serial number like with repeating digits or chronological numbers or something like that. Unfortunately, ours does not have a fancy serial number and it's not in the greatest condition. So I think we can probably get about $15 plus shipping for it, which is not too bad considering it's literally like free money.
Dooney and Burt. Let's see if we got that tag in there. We got the tag. I feel like this color is in style nowadays too. Miss Petra, what you want for this purse?
I usually help about $30. I did 20.
$20. I'll give you 20 bucks for that.
Okay.
Oh, this is a really nice position.
Yeah. They look big too. Men's 12. Hello. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 45. 45? 45. Did you do 40 for these? Yeah. Thank you so much. No thanks. Sorry, I left our wagon in the middle of the walkway here.
You're really good at that.
Really good at it. We didn't find anything at all on the second row, so we've come back to the first row to finish this out.
She wants $10 for the North Face jacket.
I didn't really get it on camera at the flea market, but this North Face women's jacket was the 550 series, and it was goose down filled, or like 80% goose down or something like that. There is one similar one that sold for 90 bucks in pre-owned condition, but I think ours is probably worth closer to 60.
Sure. You got $10?
I feel like I might keep it though.
I feel like you probably will too.
I need a nice jacket.
I'll do it. I'll give you 10 bucks for that.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. You need a bag?
Nope, let's throw it in the wagon. I think we're done for the day. Thank you, ma'am.
So not a bad day at our local flea market, certainly not our best trip ever, but we were able to pick up a lot of great items that should sell fairly well. Mose is just wanting some attention or something. We ordered some wholesale stuff we're gonna either put on Whatnot or eBay recently. Got a whole big box of jerseys. These came out pretty good. I got some Clemson jerseys, Bryant there, and I need to go through all this stuff later. It's like college and NFL mixed together. Got some Buccaneers. We paid, I think it's 36 jerseys, and I paid $360 free shipping. So what is that, like 10 bucks, 10 bucks, a little bit less than $10 each. Some of them will probably do a little bit better than others. These, they all look clean. I think they're all used. I'm not 100% sure. Hider for Clemson. So we'll go through all those and get all these listed in the next couple weeks. So that one's new with tags. Nice. But something else that I purchased recently that I'm very excited to unbox with you guys is this. And you probably won't be able to tell what it is based off the box size, but it's one of those big bean bags. I think they're called corduroys. Yeah, corduroys. It's a king size. We got it for our upstairs that we're finishing. We're going to turn that into like a guest bedroom because honestly, we don't need a whole room dedicated to a guest bedroom. So we're going to put this upstairs. And then if we have guests come over, they can just unzip it and fold it out into a mattress. That's basically just a king size mattress that folds up into a beanbag. Haley, will you help me open this? Because it's like, I think it's like sealed, wrapped in there, and I think it's gonna like expand when we open it. Knife.
What should I do?
I think you just take a knife and just stab it. Just
Or like,
here, you hold this, and I'll
Okay.
dump it out. We'll see what happens here.
oh, ow.
That's heavy. Just make sure you don't cut it.
This is not the greatest knife in the world.
I don't know where the knives are. Mose, can you help? Can you just start chewing? This one time, while Haley's doing that, I'll tell you guys this story. We accidentally flooded our kitchen at our old house. I was doing dishes and like the spray nozzle wouldn't come up. And instead of like looking why it wouldn't come up, I just pulled it really hard and it was wrapped around the shutoff valve. So when I pulled it, it snapped the shutoff valve and water came shooting out of the house. And we were both kind of panicking. We didn't really know how to turn the water off. So our kitchen was literally filling with water. We both had brooms, like just frantically trying to sweep the water into the backyard. And Mose was kind of in the corner like he is now, just drinking. And I was like, Mose, drink faster!
Oh, wait. Okay, this one's easier to come off than the other one. This one's just,
Oh yeah.
I think it's just rolled on. Oh, gosh.
Maybe we should have went into a bigger room.
This is huge.
We've made a huge mistake. All right, well, let's open it up.
How did you get the king size one?
For our king, we have guests. We can invite like 4 people over and they can all sleep on the same bed.
This is humongous.
Drop a comment on this video if you guys would come over to our house and sleep on this. It's not as like expandy
Yeah.
as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe it takes time to foam up.
I thought it was like a ball and then you like
Well, this is like the mattress. Then you roll this up, and then you
Oh,
put it
into
into
that
that thing to be the beanbag.
It's not very thick.
I think it expands after a while. Okay, so then there's definitely, it's like
you can pull it apart.
yeah, it's like pull apart cake, like it's foam in there.
Yeah.
So look it up on YouTube. Shout out Zacchus.
It's all about corduroy. This is a shark paper ride.
You do look very uncomfortable. Okay, so he's just flipping it a lot, so I guess we need to flip it.
Come on.
We don't need that.
Close once in.
We don't need that.
There goes Santa Claus with his large bag of presents.
Can you give me a push?
I feel like it's a really good beanbag maybe, but like when it comes to the mattress part of it, I'm really confused.
So fast forward about 30 minutes or so, we've given it some time to expand on its own. It is starting to look a little bit like a mattress, but it is still very, very lumpy. I think it'll take some time to like really get the lumps out and let everything expand like it should. And we unfortunately won't have time to do that in today's video, but I will be sure to give you guys an update on this in our next video. I also did try to use that slingshot that we got from Mose to shoot the tennis balls, but he was not interested at all. And to be honest, the slingshot didn't really work, I guess, quite like it should. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You're the best. We will catch you on the next one.